Hey there, the question says an artist prints numbered copies of a digital artwork at a cost of rupees 10 per print. To reward early buyers, the selling price increases with each print sold. The first print is sold for rupees 1, the second for rupees 2, and third for rupees 3, and so on. By the way, rupees 1 should be rupee 1, but it doesn't really matter. If the artist wants to earn an overall profit of at least 40%, what is the minimum number of prints he must that must be sold? I'll do one thing. Let's say that the number of prints that he should be selling is equal to n. That means the cost price of those n things will be 10n. Let me use another ink. Okay, I'll use the red one. So cost price will be 10 times n, and the selling price will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on till how much? Till n. All right. And profit, he wants a profit of 40%. Okay, so if the profit is 40%, that means selling price will be 1.4 times the cost price. So I'll just equate the selling price to 1.4 times 10n. 1.4 times 10 is 14. That is equal to 49. Is that all? Okay. So this is nothing but the sum of n natural numbers. First n natural numbers that is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. So this question is all about mixing of algebra and arithmetic, and then get cancelled out because n is not equal to 0, so we can cancel it out, which means n plus 1 is equal to 28 and n is equal to 27, and that's all. You got the answer. Simple, easy, it's just that it's a blend of algebra and arithmetic. Thank you.